Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for y'all. Now, let's get into the video. Robotics. What is it? The goal of robotic is to design intelligent machines that help and assist humans, like Siri on your phone to robots rolling around in Japan. Robots are everywhere now, but in order to make a robot, you will have to know and understand computer science and engineering, because the robot runs off of codes like Python or Java. And if you want a physical robot, you'll have to engineer the parts to design and make it. Many people think that robots are going to be like the end of the world, but let's talk about the pros and cons of robots. One pro is the productivity of robots. Robots don't get as tired as easily as humans do. The second pro is the precision of the robot. Robot hand don't shake as much as human hands does under pressure. Now, let's talk about cons. One con is the less jobs for humans, because the robots have so many benefits that'll be stupid if you don't use robots for your companies. If you like this topic, please show love, and I messed that part up, but I'm just gonna implement the end part into the video, so I won't need to do the whole video again. I forgot.